for your love.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be working on our grill. As you can see here, we have a Blackstone griddle that our parents have given us, and we've had it for a little bit, but we have never actually used it, and we are having an issue with the rust, as you can see. So we are headed off to Home Depot to look for some stuff that can help us remove the rust. And yeah, so we'll keep you guys posted.
As you guys can see, it's like this from here now, as you can see over here, but that's not how it was before. It was like this, as you can see right here. So we've been working on it. That's how it was before, like this. You see, it's very dirty. So we've been working on it since yesterday, and then that's why it's become like this back there. So, and as she says, we're going to Home Depot to get some equipment to clean it better than that. So after that, we might grill some stuff on it.
Yay, summertime!
Hello guys, and also we've been looking for some hoses for the garden, so we can water the garden. So those the one that we find in here, and we'll figure out exactly which one is a better quality or not. So we'll see.
Hey guys, so we finished up at Home Depot, and now we're going to be loading stuff into our car. Here's a little thing of everything that we got. We got some stones, we got the patio things.
This is for the grill,
the
as you
rust,
guys can see.
a new hose because ours busted.
And then same also.
And then we got a brush too as well.
And we have these.
Oh, the hose for the, whoops, the bag went flying. Alright, have anything to add, Junior?
Nope.
Alright, here we go.
Let's go.
Let's just see if it works. We'll do one like little coat to see if it works.
Yeah.
And if it looks promising, we can do another one. Alright guys, so we got at the store this Rust-Oleum rust remover, and so I just sprayed it on, as Junior can see. So we're gonna wait about 10 to 20 minutes to see, and then wipe it off and see how it works. But hopefully we only have to do it once, so, or a couple times, and yeah. Alright, that's it.
Alright guys, this is the stuff we get for the water. So we're going to put it in so we can plant the garden. As you can see, the garden is not that good, you know. We just started, so, and we'll see exactly how we go through, because the last one we had, it just busted, so we need a new one. So that's why we went to Home Depot to get a new one. So we're going to put it in. All right guys, this is the first run. As you can see, you see how it's very clean, just the first time we're doing it. So you see that how clean it is, very clean. So we're gonna do a second run to see exactly how it's gonna come out. So we'll see exactly how it's gonna come out, because we didn't expect that. The thing is really good, so we'll do a second one to see, to make sure it's very, very, very clean.
Hey guys, so here we're back with another update for the little grill patio setup. So as you can see, I did a little time lapse of us, or mostly Junior, digging and stuff like that. But I'll let you guys show you where we are now. So you can see we have a 4x4 little square. We're cleaning the top of the grill over here. Junior's hanging out in the car. And yeah, so we're just waiting on the grill. We're cleaning that up because of the rust. But here's the setup. So we're going to try and get some stones to put around the edge. But yeah, it's going good. See you back with another update sometime soon.
Alright guys, this is the final step for the grill, and the step where we put the grill. This is that we've been doing the whole day today. And as you can see, the grill is right here, you know. So everything, and you know, this is what we did today.